In this video, I will show you how you can use a simple strategy in combination with SORA's viral videos like this one to earn recurring income online. You may be wondering, how is this possible when SORA hasn't been released publicly? Well, if you head to SORA landing page, here's what it says, and I quote: "The model has a deep understanding of language, enabling it to accurately interpret prompts and generate compelling characters that express vibrant emotions. SORA can also create multiple shots within a single generated video that accurately persists characters and visual style." Here's another quote from OpenAI. "SORA builds on past research in DALL-E and GPT models. It uses the recaptioning technique from DALL-E 3, which involves generating highly descriptive captions for the visual training data. As a result, the model is able to follow the user's text instructions in the generated video more faithfully." From this, we know that SORA will function almost identically to how DALL-E 3 and ChatGPT operates, which includes the ability to understand text prompts. SORA will be able to create viral videos like this over and over again when it's eventually released. I'm sure you've seen these videos taking over your feed, but what you haven't seen is how you can generate even better videos and turn those videos into raw cash. In this video, I'll show you how you can make money online and earn passive income with the Amazon affiliate program by creating viral videos. I will reveal my pro SORA prompt video. Yes, a prompt that will allow you to create unlimited viral videos. So make sure that you watch to the end, because this is not what you think it is. Before we get started, let me show you what is possible and how much you can make when SORA is released to the public, and how that can change your life if you use what I'm about to share with you in this video. This is the Blue Earner Amazon Affiliate Estimate Calculator. This calculator will help you see what you can potentially earn from the Amazon program when you create viral videos. So let's choose a niche. Let's go with the pet niche. This will work for any niche that is supported in the Amazon affiliate program. I'll show you later in this video how to sign up to the program, so stay tuned. I'm going with the pets niche because there's already a viral SORA video about pets, well, dogs in this case, so it's easier to grasp. Say you create a viral video like this one, and at the end of this video, you show the customer something like this. Watch this short clip.
Golden Retriever litter size is 8 puppies. It varies from 4 to 12 pups. They release heat through their paws, mouth, and nose. They don't sweat like people do, which is part of why it's important to never shave your Golden Retriever. Get the right food for you dogs today on mypetdogfood.com.
You see what I'm getting at? Let's say you get around 1 million views from a video like this, and you get a quarter of their traffic to click on your link, which then sends them to a landing page like this, where they can click and get redirected to Amazon and make the purchase. Here's how much you can make. So a quarter of 1 million views comes out to 250,000 views. So if we select the pet niche, and for conversion, now for this part, it's hard to know exactly how much that traffic will convert. So instead of guessing, we will use industry standard metrics to do the calculation. Here, we have 2 different conversion rates from 2 analytics companies. We will use the more conservative figure, and then later on we'll use the much more aggressive value. So I'll select the 1.75% conversion rate. For monthly traffic, I'll enter 250,000, and for the average order value, I'll also choose the lowest value, and the estimate comes out to be a whopping $7,000+. If we use the more aggressive values, it gets even crazier. The total comes out to a little bit more than $15,000. I'm sure you realize that this is not a monthly figure. These figures are for a single video. If you add YouTube monetization to the mix, these numbers get even wilder. So what's the Amazon affiliate program? This is a program by Amazon that pays you to refer people to Amazon. You get paid a commission on every successful sale. How to set up an Amazon affiliate website. To sign up for the Amazon affiliate program, you just need to visit affiliate-program.amazon.com. Alternatively, you can do a Google search for Amazon affiliate and follow the link to their website. To register, you need a website or a social media profile. You can get a website ready to go in 5 minutes by heading to blueener.com/ready-business. You can browse through to find a niche you're interested in. Blue Anna allows you to launch ready-to-use Amazon affiliate websites in just a few minutes. These websites come with lots of products, so you can start promoting right away. For this example, I'll select the pet niche. On the starter template page, you can click to see a preview of the template by clicking on this button. Next, select the hosting option. Web hosting is a service that hosts websites or web applications on the internet. A web host provider rents space on a physical server where you can store all the files and data necessary for your website to work properly. If you already have hosting, you can select this option. If you don't have one, then you need to pick one of these options. I suggest you pick the yearly option so you don't have to worry about anything website related for a year. Next is a domain name. A domain name is essentially the unique address of your website on the internet. It's what users type into their web browsers to find and access your website. You need that so people can find your website. You also need a domain name for the Amazon registration. You can buy one or you can choose the recommended options here. You need to create a free account to see the domain names available. Next is SEO and social media content. This is optional. However, before SORA is released to the public, you can use this option to get started generating traffic. If you want to start earning passive income on Amazon, basically this creates content for you all year round so you can focus on other important things, especially if you have a day job. This will help you build a passive income business at the side. Once your website is ready, you'll get something similar to this. You get a website with hundreds of products. You can pick one of these products to start promoting. With your website ready, you can then proceed with your Amazon affiliate registration and complete the registration process. How much does the program pay you? Well, Amazon pays you up to 20%. However, if we take this pet niche as an example, it pays you 3% for pet products, which is what we used to make the calculations previously. Now, you may be thinking that this rate is low. Well, it is. However, with Amazon, you get a higher conversion rate compared to anything else out there. Amazon is a household name, and as a result, most people, especially in the US, have their credit cards connected to Amazon. So for many, it's a one-click buy situation. Also, if a customer gets to Amazon from your website and they purchase other products, you get paid for those products as well, even if they weren't on your website. Watch this video where I reveal my SORA prompt in action and how to use it to create viral videos. Hope you found this video interesting and helpful, especially if you're looking to create a side hustle that will earn you passive income. There are dozens of videos like this that I'm working on, so make sure to subscribe and hit this notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.